To begin, go to ChatGPT and ask it this prompt. Give me common problems businesses face that hinder them from getting patronage online, and ask it to generate. Now, once it has finished, you just have to go through the thoughts that it gave you, and once you have gone through them and understood them, you ask it another prompt. Give you 10 businesses that mostly face these problems. So now you have seen that it has given lots of businesses that actually face these problems. Now, for this one, it says local small businesses, limited online presence, lack of professional website, ineffective digital marketing, and health and wellness business. For the next step, you're going to go to Google and create an account with this website that's called partnerstack.com. This is a marketplace where you get websites that can help businesses establish very well online and get patronage. Now, on this particular platform, you can get affiliate links to all these websites, and what we're going to be using it to do on this video is to market it to people that actually need it, and even those that don't really know they need it, to bring it to their attention that they actually need it to help them grow their business. And of course, you have to look closely at this website. Like, you will see percentage of commission you stand to earn for each of the websites here while you market it, so that they can buy, and once they buy and subscribe to the website, we gain our commission. And I'm going to leave the link to all the websites that I'm going to be mentioning on this video in the comment section, where you can easily find them. And of course, you can get your own affiliate link from anywhere you can, provided it's going to help businesses solve the problems you have picked out. Assuming we're going to be addressing problems as regards online presence for businesses, as we saw from ChatGPT, we're going to look at these websites that are on this platform to know which we are going to actually use to address this problem. So for this example, we're going to be using this particular website now, and we're going to use it for the other steps that we're going to be doing on this video. And we're going to say join program, and then we're going to fill out these forms here and then click submit application. So once that application is approved, they're going to send me a link that I'm going to be using to use their website to solve the problems I need to solve using this strategy. Now, the best part about what I'm going to be sharing on this video is that you don't need social media following to be able to make money off of this strategy, and you don't even need a website. All you just have to do is to follow the steps I'm going to be sharing on this video, so that you know how to get started and start making this money instantly. So with that particular website that I got, I can actually use it to solve this problem for these businesses. So, and for this video, we're going to be choosing dental consultation businesses to help them solve this problem, because they are the ones that don't really have time to create online content and stuff like that to promote their businesses. So we're going to go to Google now and look for dental businesses, then get their email address. So to do that, you go to Google and search for dentist email. It has given us contacts of lots of dentists. No matter where they are in the world, their contacts are here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to copy all of them, and we're going to take it to this website. This website is emailchecker.net. It's going to help us to extract all the email that we have copied. We're going to paste everything we copied here, and then we're going to ask it to extract email. So you see, it has quickly extracted all the email from everything we pasted here. So these ones that are not looking nice, we're going to go through them and manually remove this type of email. Now that we have done this, we are going to copy this email address, and then we're going to go to Google Doc. We're going to open a Google Doc and paste it here. So now we have succeeded in copying all this email address. So for the next step, we're going to download this thing because we'll be needing it again. So to do that, we go to File, and then we say download. Now for this download, we are going to be downloading it as a common separated value. That is the only way we can use it for the next website. So now that we have gotten the email address we are going to be needing, we can't just send email to this email address, because you don't even know if some of them are valid or if they are still working, or if the email we are going to be sending is actually going to reach them. So we have to target the ones that are actually valid, so that we'll not be wasting much of our time. And to do that, we need to extract this email, and we're going to be using this website to do that. So you go back to Google and look for this website. This website is called leopatu.com, and once you have seen that, you're going to click here where it says choose file. You will have to sign up first before you start using it, by the way. So when you click choose file, this is the spreadsheet that we downloaded, and then we say validate. It's going to give you some time to process, and we'll see what the outcome will be. So it has finished, and here is the result. It says that the valid email out of 20 emails that I uploaded is 19. And then the raw emails are 0, the spam emails are 0, the domain invalid emails are 0. So almost all of them are good. So we have 19. So what we are going to do is to download this email that it has finished, and then we're going to be using it for the next step. So moving on, the next thing we need to do now is to generate the article we're going to be using to send to these our clients. And remember, we have a link we need to use to give to them to help them solve the problem. We can use two ways to do that. I'm going to share all the two ways with you on this video. So we go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write us a convincing email telling a business owner about the need to promote their businesses online by creating quality and engaging content for their audience to patronize their business. So we ask it to generate. So ChatGPT has finished generating this, and we're going to read through, and then we will copy this and paste it on a Google Doc. So we have pasted it on a Google Doc. So what we need to do next is to edit this, add in the things we need to add as ChatGPT has directed us here. And then we're also going to add the link that we've gotten from Partner Stack so that they can see it and then take action by just clicking. So we are done editing this particular email, so we have included all our links at strategic places so that they can see it and at least click and take action. So for the next thing we're going to do, we are going to be sending this email. And in case you're wondering how we can possibly send this email to the number of persons we've got their email address, you don't really need to worry yourself, because I'm going to share with you a website where you can go and send everything bulk email at once, all completely for free. So you go to Google and search for this website, mailmetro.com. This is a place where you can be able to send bulk email all at once, and you have to sign up. They actually have the paid version and the free version too. So for this, we're going to click new campaign. We're going to go back to Google Doc, copy everything, and then we paste it here. Have pasted everything. So the next thing now is to add our recipient. So to do that, we click here where it says select recipient. I'm going to click import a CSV, and then we click here. So you see all the email addresses are here, and then we click save. So the next thing is we click send. So now we were able to send this mail to 18 people, and these people are targeted audience, like they have businesses and you know that they need this service you're rendering to them. So imagine out of 18 of them, 10 persons took action and actually used this website. That is you making money, and the money is recurring from Partner Stack where we got the website from. So this is another way for you to make money. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to share the second way that you can actually make money. But this particular second way, you're not going to be reaching a targeted audience like this. You're going to be reaching anybody at all. So it may not necessarily be people in the healthcare line. They can be anybody who probably has a business that can actually use the service from the website that we just mentioned. So but before I go ahead with this second strategy, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos from me. I really appreciate it. So for the second strategy, you're going to go to this website called SEOwriting.ai. I've already created an account with them, and this is what the website looks like. So you're going to click here where it says click blog post, and then once it has opened, you're going to fill out this information and ask it to generate a blog post for you. So here you can choose NLP keywords, and it has given you, and then this one's the structure, if you need any table or any of those. So this is basically what you need to do, and once you're done with everything the way you want it, you ask it to run here. It has finished generating the blog post. You see everything, how it is looking, and all we need to do now is just to copy this blog post that it has generated for us. And of course, we need to edit, put our link. Then we go to Medium. Medium is the place where you can write and people come and view your write-up. So we're going to say write, and then we're going to paste what we have copied. We have pasted. We're going to do the necessary editing and add picture. So but to add picture, you go to this free website, pixels.com, and then we look for pictures we can add. We're done editing this blog post and see how everything is looking nice. Now all we have to do is just to click here where it says publish, and it's going to go live. Now, once you have published, anybody can come across this post and can read and take action if they really need this service badly, and of course if they own a business. So imagine we're able to get some people from here to buy the service you're rendering to them, and others from the email you sent. You're possibly going to be making more than $1,000 by using this strategy. So if you learned something new from this video or you enjoyed this video, please take a time out, like, subscribe to my channel so that you learn more things as I make videos about how you can make money online, and so that you don't miss out on anyone. Thank you so much for watching. You can check out other videos on my channel so that you learn something from them too, and I'll see you in the next one.